Snakes are among nature's most fascinating and misunderstood creatures. Sleek, slithery, and legless. But have you ever wondered, did snakes once have legs? And are there snakes with legs today? To uncover this mystery, we need to go back millions of years. Scientists believe that snakes evolved from lizards during the late Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago. Early snake ancestors had legs, and some fossils reveal these ancient serpents with not one but two pairs of legs. In 2015, a stunning discovery was made, a fossil of a snake-like creature called Tetrapodophis. This creature had 4 tiny legs. Experts believe it provides crucial evidence of how snakes gradually lost their limbs over time. But why did snakes lose their legs? The answer lies in evolution. As these reptiles adapted to burrowing and navigating tight spaces, legs became a disadvantage. Over millions of years, their bodies elongated and their limbs shrank, eventually disappearing entirely. Interestingly, not all traces of legs are gone. Pythons and boas, some of the oldest snake species, still carry remnants of their evolutionary past. Tiny pelvic bones, often called spurs, that once supported legs. So, do snakes with legs exist today? While no living snakes have functional legs, their fossilized ancestors and vestigial bones remind us of their remarkable journey from lizards to the legless reptiles we know today. Snakes may not have legs anymore, but their story is a testament to the power of evolution. Who knows what other secrets these creatures might hold? If you enjoyed learning about the evolution of snakes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating discoveries. Thank you for watching.